I went to immigration finally to get my visa. I have all the information for all the articles that I used in my thesis. So I'm gonna show you my apartment updates. It's still messy, it's not done. From the Nintendo store. Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to the first official vlog in my new apartment. Well, minus the moving vlog. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. It was very long and hard, but the stress of moving is done and now I'm just living here. The apartment's far from complete. There will be an apartment tour eventually, probably not for a few months. Don't want to do that till it's like perfect, you know. I will update you guys later on what I've done to the apartment though since the moving vlogs, because it's been about maybe almost 2 weeks since I last filmed. Has it been that long? Wow, yeah, it has. And I've been living here, I guess, for almost 3 weeks now. Or is it 3 weeks? It's 3 weeks today when I'm filming this. Wow. But yeah, I'm happy. It's exciting. It's a big change of pace. If you don't know, before I used to live in like a really residential area. Like there wasn't really much to do. It was very nice, very safe and clean and all that, but there weren't many restaurants near me or anything like that. So now I live in a much more central location. There's a lot more restaurants I can actually walk to, shops, etc. It's a really nice change of pace. So today's vlog, I'm going to be organizing my life, basically. It is still a mess, the apartment, a bit. It's a mess for me. Even this filming angle is a bit of a mess. It's not perfect yet. I mean, how boring. The wall is still blank. I'm sorry. So actually yesterday, a big update, I went to immigration finally to get my visa, and I got a 3-year visa, which I'm really happy about, because I thought I'd get a 1-year visa because I've just changed visas from student to like a working visa, but they gave me 3 years, which means I don't have to go there till then. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to stress about it. It's really great. A lot of people don't realize, if you have never lived abroad, or I mean, I know I didn't realize it till I really moved here, how stressful the visa situation can be, because you kind of have to live your life like year by year. For example, if you get like 1-year visas each time, you can only work jobs within the visa class. So there's like different types of working visas, you know. So I'm on like the humanities kind of one, just like the catch-all for like business jobs, basically. Yeah, it can be really stressful and you can't do a lot of things when it is getting close to the expiration date. So when you have a 1-year visa, it's really hard because you're always close to the expiration date. My last visa actually for student, it was 9 months. And I basically, I couldn't do anything on it. I couldn't do anything with it. Like I couldn't open a bank account or get a credit card or anything on that. No way. But now I have a 3-year one, so I'm happy. So anyways, I thought I'd start by organizing my life a bit digitally. I've already done a bit of it today. I've been changing my address on my credit cards and stuff like that. But I wanted to show you guys how I've been organizing my life up until now, basically, and how I passed my thesis. I don't think the thesis would have been done without this, and that is today's sponsor, which I'm so excited about, Notion. So even before Notion reached out to me, literally I've been using Notion for many years, and I started seriously using it in grad school. If you don't know, I was a grad student at the University of Tokyo here up until a few months ago. And yeah, I don't think I could have submitted a thesis or done it as well without Notion. It's seriously been a lifesaver. It like really organizes your life, it helps you be more productive, and it just keeps all your information in like one place, and it's so good. You guys, it's so good. So I'm gonna show you how I use Notion personally for myself, but it's also a great tool to do team collaboration with, like in your business or even school projects, anything like that. You can basically do whatever you want with it. You can take notes, you can manage different tasks, set goals. You can really just, you keep yourself accountable and organized, which is really what I need and what I know a lot of people also struggle with. So I'm gonna show you how I have used it both in my content creation side and in grad school. Yeah, without Notion, also this YouTube channel, it would be a mess. So let me show you a brief tour of my Notion. So Notion's really great at being able to organize everything in your life. So what I have decided to go with is like a dashboard system. So here is my dashboard page. It's kind of blank right now, but then within it, there's like 2 main subsections. So I have my MA, which was for my master's degree, and then I have content creation for YouTube. So I'm gonna show you the MA one first. This is like, by the way, like legit my Notion. I have not edited it and I have genuinely been using it. Like, I'm serious. So this is what the MA page is like. So you can like open these little things. So really this is like the main page for the thesis, but then over here, I keep all of the actual content. So the most important life-saving thing I ever did was decide to do this literature section. I have all the information for all the articles that I used in my thesis. So like things that were ready to start, in progress, things I hadn't annotated yet, and then what I did, and then what I needed to still get, things like that. And then like you could click it, for example. It has the abstract and everything, the date, the key finding, the theoretical concepts, etc. So part of this I entered myself after reading the article, and then part of it was auto-populated because I did a Zotero Notion plugin. I'm not going to talk about too much, but look into that if you are also trying to do this kind of thing. It is amazing. And then you can tag them, which I think is super useful, especially when you're trying to make arguments or you're trying to do the literature review section of your thesis. It's life-saving just to keep everything you think of that you're doing in one location. So the next, I'm just going to show you my content creation one really quick. This is, again, literally what I am using, have been using. So I have the video calendar, first of all. It's kind of a mess right now because my schedule's been all over the place. Like, for example, I have the moving vlog that I just published. So these are like the published dates of my videos. And then down here, I have ideas and like my video topics. So I'm going to keep the ideas secret for now, but like my published ones, like what I do, like for example, like how to ride trains in Japan. I have like the whole script. I write all this out. I don't say everything. I just try to write out what I think I want to say. And it's really great for that kind of thing. And I do want to highlight one recent feature that Notion put out that is amazing. Okay, so they also have their own AI built into Notion, and it's quite good. So like I'll press space and then like you could summarize, find action items. So I'm going to summarize. Allison discusses everything you need to know for riding trains in Japan. She covers blah, 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 blah. So basically you don't need the video. I could just do this and publish it, but I'm not going to do that. So that's my Notion and that's how I use it. But there's so many ways to use it and ways to fit it into your life to make yourself more productive and just feel more organized, which it's so good to be organized, guys. So do check it out. It is totally free to download. So there's really no harm in just trying it out and seeing if it'll work for you. And don't be overwhelmed by like the templates and stuff. Notion does come with like some pre-built in ones and you can look up more online. So if you're interested in getting started with Notion, check out the link down below where you can sign up for free. Figure out how Notion could work in your lifestyle to make yourself more productive. Okay. So I'm gonna show you my apartment updates. It's still messy, it's not done, but let's go section by section. First of all, the bed. It hasn't changed, but I do have a mountain of stuffed animals I don't know what to do with yet. If you have any ideas, let me know, because there's too many on the bed. I don't want to throw them away. I'm crouching now to show you my desk area. So this is it for now. I did change the computer now so it can fit this way, and I like it much better than the old setup, if you remember. Yeah, this is basically unchanged though from my last apartment. Here's the dresser I built. I did get a mirror for it. It's a bit short, so I think I'm gonna put something, I don't know, to make the mirror higher, but good. It's messy, I know, for now. TV is unchanged. However, next to the TV, I now have a stand I keep my dresses on, and there's purses on the top. Yeah, I like it. However, it wobbles. I don't know if I tried to kind of rebuild it, but it still wobbles. I don't know what that is. And then we have the sofa area where I play Legend of Zelda for 10 hours a day. This is also unchanged basically. I do want to get a real table eventually. Maybe even a different sofa. We'll see. These are later things. They're not going to happen yet. And now for the kitchen. This setup is still kind of the same. I'm struggling with this because I don't like the rice cooker up here because I can't actually get there without a stepladder. This is the other shelf. Sorry, what's the lighting doing? Okay, whatever. This is a mess. The tension rod has yet to fall down as of now. I think I want to move the rice cooker over here eventually, but... And then here's the kitchen. It hasn't changed much, and honestly, it's not that organized yet. It's a mess. However, this is new. It slides. This is where I keep my cup collection. This angle is really bad. But yeah, it's a lot more narrow. It's only 22 centimeters. And then these are just little garbage things. And then the last update, we have the washer dryer, which I really like. If you're wondering, it's very nice. But then I built this tension rod thing. So the baskets are like hanging above it because you actually aren't supposed to have anything on top while it's running. And then I have another shelf up there too. See, it's just a tension rod. It did literally barely fit, and it took me a long time to find one that would fit because it's only a 2 centimeter opening on the floor. But yeah, so far it's stable. All right, I'm gonna go out now. This is the outfit. It's all from Samantha Mosu Mosu. So whenever I go out, I always make a note of where I want to go and what I want to do because I forget. So I want to go to 1 or 2 clothing stores and then maybe a bookstore. And then I also want to try to go to the Parco in Shibuya and maybe get a snack there. We're going to see if it's crowded. Yeah, let's go. All right, I am back home. Forgive the lighting and the lack of a background. We're gonna have to work on this. But oh my God, it's already 30 degrees out. Over 30. It's only May. I hate summer so much. Despair is coming. I got really sweaty, just doing nothing. It was really crowded out. Ever since the borders opened, it's like since this spring, I'd say, it's just been crazy again. So I did do some shopping. So I thought I'd show you guys what I got. Wow, this lighting is strange. Whatever. Okay, for today, please. So I came home and I got an Amazon delivery while I was out. I got these morning masks. These are like vitamin C morning masks that they're like, they do the cleansing and toning. So I quite like these, especially in summer because they're kind of like cooling. Definitely look it up, like Sabarino masks. They also have night ones. And then I got something I'm gonna try out. It's so heavy. Oh gosh. I got a weighted blanket. It is, wow, it's heavy. I am not the best at sleeping or falling asleep. I really am bad at it. So I bought this in the hopes that maybe it would help. It's just like gray. I don't know. I think do you need a cover for these? I guess you do. I'll just put it on top of the bed tonight. We'll see. Wow, okay. I hope it helped. And then from the Nintendo store, no, I didn't buy anything Zelda, but the Zelda section was swarmed. What I got instead, okay, I went in, I wasn't gonna buy anything, but I saw this and I had to have it. Look at this. It's Animal Crossing laptop case and it's in pink. They like never have pink merch. So I had to get it, and my laptop case is very rough looking right now anyway. So there's the outer pocket, and then the main pocket. Yeah, it's really cute. Enough said, right? I don't play Animal Crossing presently, but I do love it. Very cute, very cute. And practical. Organization. That's the theme. And then I did go to Zara. I didn't see anything there. And then I went to GU and I got this, another green outfit. You know what? Let me put it on actually. I need to wash it anyway. That's what it looks like. I like the top half a lot. Bottom half, it's kind of meh right here, but it's comfortable. I think once I wash it, it'll shape up a bit more because there's like a fold in it. And yeah, that's what I got. It is like a dress. I'm not flashing you. I could wear it without the top too, or like something else underneath it. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Kind of chill. Didn't do as much organizing as I would have liked to, but that's how it goes sometimes. So make sure you like the video, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you stay organized, and remember to check out the link down below in the description to try Notion for yourself to help organize your life. And again, thank you to Notion for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you guys back here again soon. Bye!